Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I curl my hair. I'm going to be showing you guys how I curl it with a straightener, how I curl it with a curling iron, and then how I curl it with a wand. So I want to show you guys those three methods because those are usually the most popular ways of how to curl your hair. If you guys want to see how I do it naturally with no heat, comment down below and I'll be more than happy to film that for you guys. But for now, we're just dealing with hot tools. Before we get into it, if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and push that notification bell because that will notify you when I post a new video. So other than that, let's just get right into it. For the most part, my hair routine is I wash my hair every other day. So I don't wash it every day, but I do it every other day. The reason for that is because I work out every other day, and when I work out, I sweat a lot in my scalp, like a lot. So I need to wash my hair because I'm just sweaty, and that's gross if I don't, you know? I know people that wash their hair like every 4 days, every 5 days. I used to be the person that was way extreme and would wash it every day. If I can, I would, but I just don't because I've seen what it does to my hair, and I just need to let my hair breathe. So I do it every other day for me. Just putting that out there. Before I get into curling my hair, I do brush my hair out and I put heat protectant. It's very important that you put heat protectant on because you don't want your hair to get damaged. And if you use hot tools regularly, you will damage your hair. I have a variety of ones that I like to use. The one that I'm currently binging on right now is the Neuro by Palm Mitchell. They have a, I think that's what it's called. I think it's the Neuro. It's like a blue bottle. We'll put it in the description box below. That way you guys can check it out if you want to. If not, there are really good affordable brands at the drugstore. She makes really good ones. There's one with I think it's a black and red bottle. I don't know what it's called, but if I can find a picture, I'll put it right here. And I use that one for the longest. It works really well. So use one of those or use any heat protectant that you want. And then after that, go right into the curling. First method of curling that I'm going to be showing you guys is with a straightener. This is a type of curls that I started out with. When I used to have really short hair, I'll put a picture right here. I used to use a straightener all the time because it was just easier. I feel like the straightener method is easier for people that have short hair. That's just my opinion. I may be wrong, but for me, when I had short hair, I would always use a straightener. It was just easier, it was fast, and I really liked it. I like to curl my hair outward. I will put in a few pieces inward just so that it's not all like meshing together. But for the most part, I like to curl my hair outward. I just feel like it looks more voluminous. I have a big old head, so if I were to curl my hair inward, I think my head would just look even bigger. So the way that I like to go about it is I will put the hair straightener downward and I will just put the hair strand through, as you can see right here. And then I will slowly start to move it outward and downward. So I don't know if you guys can see that. I don't know if I'm explaining it right, but I'll just show you guys. Just watch. Not too loose of a curl, but it's like a pretty decent curl. Like it's you know, it's like in between. The next type of tool that I use to curl my hair is the barrel iron curl, the barrel curl. If that makes sense. I don't know if I'm saying that right. I don't know. This type of curl gives you a more of a looser curl, so it's not going to be really tight. It's going to be very beachy wavy, if you will. It's pretty simple. I will take like a normal amount of a section, not too big and not too small, and I will just go through it. I feel like this is probably the second easiest one to achieve. I like to do this curl when I want like an effortless look. They're really nice waves. Last but not least, I use the wand. Now the wand is my absolute favorite. It's the easiest, the fastest, and for me, it's the prettiest. This is what I have. Like, I decided to do the rest of my hair. I still have some of the loose ones here. I decided to do most of my head with the wand. It's just really nice. It's really flirty. And for me, the wand curls will last 3 days if I don't wash my hair 4 days. It will last a very long time. I do have thick, coarse hair, so my hair holds curls really well. But I just noticed that when I've done hair on clients and when I've done hair, you know, to other people in general, the wand curls just holds it so nicely. As you can see, it's really easy to do. All you gotta do is wrap the hair around, leave it in there for a few seconds, and then drop the curl, and you have a really nice, beautiful curl. Another plus that I love about this curling iron is that it just curls it so fast. So with the straightener, I will probably last like around 30 to 45 minutes curling my whole head, and with the wand, it's literally like 10 to 15 minutes. It doesn't take a lot of time to curl. So if I had to choose my favorite, it would be the wand. And also I use the Paw Mitchell Neuro wand. This is like a 3-in-1 curling wand. They do sell them separately if you want a bigger curl, a tighter curl, you know, a medium curl. They have those options. I will put it in the link below. But yeah, I'll just wrap the whole hair strand, leave it in there for a few seconds, and then drop them, and it just gives you this beautiful, effortless curl. Last but not least, after I have curled them off, full head of hair, I will go in with some hairspray. Now, depending on the type of hair that you have will depend on the type of hairspray that you want. So that just kind of depends on you, whether you want like your curls to last for a very long time, have like an extra hold hairspray, or if you just want something, you know, light, then, you know, grab a hairspray that's pretty light. So depending on what you want will depend on the hairspray that you have. I just have a pretty good standard hairspray, and I will hairspray my whole head, run the curls through my fingers to kind of loosen them up, flip my hair, and call it a day. Another thing that I will add, just, you know, to give my hair some shine and to make it look nice and luscious, is some shine spray. There's so many different types of shine sprays, but I like the Awapui by Paw Mitchell. I'm very Paw Mitchell, guys, if you haven't noticed. and that one just gives it a really nice shine. It smells good. And then I will hairspray my comb, and I will just kind of comb my hair down just to kind of get those flyaways out of my hair and just to make it look nice and smooth. And that is that. Alright guys, so that is how I curl my hair. It's a pretty fast video, but I just wanted to share with you guys the methods that I use. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and comment down below what kind of method you use to curl your hair. Don't forget to subscribe and push that notification bell so you guys are notified every single time I post a new video. And yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next one.